You said it on camera, didn't you?
Hey.
Did. What did you say?
He has an overstuffed monkey that
Okay,
he sleeps with. that his
thank you.
girlfriend bought him.
That's a clarification, everyone.
That was, I don't know, that sounds worse.
I was going to say, I think he'll be proud. Yeah, it's oversized.
Hi there.
Hi there.
How are you?
That's funny, like, I think about this, like,
Whoops,
whenever
About a
we're
monkey.
older, I think about watching, like, old, like,
Oh, yeah.
Whole family videos.
You're sitting in the chair. Did I mention that you like baseball?
And one day your
Oh.
kid will be watching this as a home
That's
video.
what I'm saying, like, it's gonna be something on the internet. It's not gonna be like, here, let's plug in this tape and hook it up to the TV.
I know.
But then he's going to say, Dad, that grandma that just said
Yeah.
he was playing with his monkey?
They play with this book.
They're like, yeah, I play with one.
Get a million
And nowadays,
hits.
That's how
Right.
we're like, yeah, let's play with
We'll
my
just
monkey.
call it "Playing with His Monkey," and
Yeah, yeah,
everybody
that's
will
what-
watch
that's the
it.
caption for the
This
video.
will be on YouTube. But
Of course,
He
it
really
will.
playing with his monkey.
too bad he don't have a monkey.
Too bad he's not awake to defend himself.
Oh man,
It's your
That's
own
where
bad.
you
When
need
you
to-
sleep the latest.
that's where you need to
You're
squirt
ragdoll.
gun with water. My mother used to get so mad at us on the weekend when we wouldn't get out of bed. So she'd take a squirt gun and a couple squirts in the face. You're like, no. Get back in
I don't know that it would affect Nate.
No, I don't think it'll affect me.
He'd take his monkey and put it over
there. I didn't say fill it with baby oil.
He'd take his monkey and do what?
Put it over his face.
Well, that's impressive. I gotta say. All right, everyone. This is actually our family.
Bless our heart.
I know, bless our hearts. This is what we do. What's Lily got? What have you got? Have you got something that's good?
Took it from somewhere.
It's Nick's. Spent 15, won 8.
Oh, Lily win the lottery.
How'd she get those?
She got him out of the trash last night, so I gave her
you
the 2
won.
on the top. So she went down the trash trying to play with him.
Yay. Gold Rush.
And there's Daisy.
Hello.
Just hanging out. Is she awake?
Not right now. No, she's going to sleep now.
No. Darling. Hi.
Ready for a
Hi.
close-up.
Yeah. You want to play? You want to play vacuum? No, that's not vacuum.
I got this for her, and it's really cool. You put bubbles right here in a puddle, and it goes around, and it blows air here. So it just
Oh.
blows this big amount of bubbles everywhere. Well, I started it. I went and hunted down toys to get batteries out of it yesterday. Put it in, filled it up. Of course, all she wants to do is pick it up. Can't pick it up with bubbles
Oh.
in the pool.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
And then when it gets down about halfway, the things don't dip low enough to get the bubbles. So
No. Well, it's a nice idea. It
Yeah,
just doesn't.
yeah.
It's not practical, I guess.
no,
for-
I have to put it up high somewhere so she can't touch it. And just let her play with bubbles.
Aw.
You want to put bubbles in?
One part
Nick,
gone,
say
just
hello or
Bubbles
goodbye.
in?
two parts of
Goodbye.
water.
Yeah.
And
One part
Auf Wiedersehen.
gone, and two
Auf
parts
Wiedersehen.
water.
For
Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf
And
Wiedersehen.
in Hawaii, where you may one day go, aloha
Aloha.
Aloha.
is hello and goodbye. So,
You know,
aloha.
there's 13 letters to the Hawaiian
Hey.
alphabet.